If you've ever felt like anger makes you too much, or like showing it would ruin the image of being calm and composed, this is for you. We're going to talk about what it means to move rage through your body in ways that are actually safe and beautiful. By the end of this, you'll have a few ways to let the heat out without hurting yourself or anyone else. And maybe you'll start to see your fire as something worth wearing. Welcome to Your Witchy Mother. We cover everything your mother never taught you without the guilt. Body-led choices, steady money, clear boundaries, with practical rituals and zero performance. Welcome, I'm Melanie, your witchy mother, and what I teach at its core is how to live your power without apology. That includes how you dress, how you breathe, how you hold energy when things get messy. This month, we've been unpacking that good girls don't get angry story. And now that we've named anger as sacred clarity, I want to show you what it looks like when that clarity becomes beauty. When your rage stops being a secret and starts being part of your rhythm. Because truthfully, rage can be elegant, it can be refined, it can be your most honest form of beauty. Let's be honest. A lot of us were taught to make calm look effortless. Soft voice, polite smile, no ripples. And it's fucking exhausting. I used to think that being graceful meant never showing emotion. But grace isn't about looking put together. It's staying present with yourself even when you're shaking. When you freeze your feelings to stay pretty, you cut off your power. And your body knows it. That's where the jaw tension and sleepless nights come from. All that swallowed fire looking for a way out. There's an art to moving through anger. I call it the aesthetic of rage. When I light a candle and breathe with it instead of picking a fight, that's art. When I wear red lipstick on a hard day, that's art. When I let a low sound hum through my chest instead of choking it back, that's art too. None of that is about being performative. It's just how I let the energy move instead of pile up inside my body. Glamour magic isn't perfection or trends that you see on Instagram. It's the energy of saying, this is how I want my power to look today. And that can be fierce or quiet, but it's always yours. Here's one of my favorite ways to work with that energy when it feels like too much. Light a candle, sit with it. Look into the flame and just name in your mind what's burning in you. Then breathe in through your nose and let the exhale come out however it wants. Sigh, moan, hum, scream, whatever is true. Do that a few times and you'll start to feel the edges start to soften. You're giving the anger a safe job to do, letting the fire inside you talk to the fire in front of you. That's what I mean by wearing your fire with elegance. It's not control. It's intimacy with your own heat. If you're not a candle person, start with sound. When you hold your breath, you hold your power. So hum in the car, scream, sing in the car, groan while you stretch. Let yourself exhale with sound instead of swallowing it. You don't need to scream to be powerful, but you can if you want to. You just need to stop pretending that you don't feel it. I know what you might be thinking. I don't want to look crazy. And I get it. I grew up thinking that calm meant that I was in control. But when you start letting your energy move through your breath, through beauty, through sound, it's okay to be wild if you want to be. Like, why did we ever villainize that? What it does is it makes you well. You don't have to destroy anything to express yourself. You just need to give your body permission to participate in your healing. If this stirred something awake in you, go watch my free ceremony called You Don't Need to Protect Your Energy, You Need to Reclaim It. It's a short, guided reset to help you pull your energy back from performance and return it to your own rhythm. Rage doesn't make you ugly. It makes you honest. You can be powerful and graceful at the same time. You can let beauty hold your fire. You can let breath be your spell. That's the aesthetic of rage, power that tells the truth and still feels like home.